Power10 allows you to implement your own self-service customer assistants. So you get an interactive chat interface, if you will, that allows you to ask questions and get answers in natural language. And you can tailor that to arbitrary domains, for instance, to IT administrators. So an IT administrator might be interested in Red Hat OpenShift. So you can ask questions like, what is actually OpenShift? And then this kind of assistant provides you a natural language answer. OpenShift container platform is a cloud-based Kubernetes container platform. So an IT administrator might then be interested in further concepts on OpenShift. For instance, what is a pod? The answer here could be one or more containers deployed together on one host. And suddenly this IT administrator might find an abbreviation unknown, RHCOS. So what's that about? So you get quickly an answer like Red Hat Enterprise Linux Core OS. So what you see here is a generative AI demo. It provides you tailor-made domain-specific answers. In this example here, I used IT administration as an example domain, but you can really tailor it to any kind of domain. So if you're in banking or finance, you can tailor it to financial documents. If you're in insurance, you can tailor it to policy documents, for instance. If you're in healthcare, you can tailor it to your own medical context, maybe request description of diseases and treatments. So the way we fine-tune or adapt those technologies to a specific domain is by attaching a document retrieval system here, right? So for the last question here, I created one document was fetched from a backend database. This is the last fetched document. It's the documentation of the OpenShift container platform. And if you look inside this document for this abbreviation I looked for before, you will find that it includes a text fragment that explains this abbreviation. And the large language model in the backend actually receives this whole document, scans through it, finds this piece here and creates this natural language answer based on those insights here. What you can also do in that demo here is inspect the payload. So the data that was sent to the backend large language model. And in this case, you see that there was the FLAN model selected from Google for that task. We sent a prompt to the large language model, read the following document and answer the following questions. If the answer is not in the document, then respond, I don't know. So that's the prompt. That's the instruction we gave the large language model. And we augmented this instruction with this input document and the question. So the question was, what is RHCOS? And then we also attached the whole document I've previously shown you. And those information allow now this large language model, the FLAN model in this instance, to provide you the natural language answer. There are a few other properties with which you can fine-tune the behavior of that model, but that's more into the details, and you're free to play around with it. The basic functionality is, as shown here, provided in this demonstration. Have fun, and thanks for listening.